Hey guys, and welcome to Immortal Cities, Children of the Nile. We're going to be playing this game. For some reason my mouse is playing a bit. This is an Egyptian game, if you couldn't tell. Into your family name. We're going to be the great family of tech tips. Let's just continue going. You know, play a scenario. We're going to be P. Ramesses.
Egypt is once again ascendant in the world, but there are those who would throw her back down if given
Normal
the
challenge, no guys, hard challenge. I'm a hard man.
Look
Look at this bloke, put a shirt on, mate. You've got a sweetie little child if you don't mind, guys. You guys look like we're closer to cartoon. Tycoon, isn't it?
Or more tycoon.
I think we need a palace. Pretty shit looking palace, if I do say so, guys.
Well, it's getting built.
Oh, it's good.
You might have to connect it with some roads.
Road.
Don't just like drag it.
In fact, I tell you what, guys, we're going to do a ring road. Just for future planning, guys. You can't do circles.
Back in 1291 bits. Doesn't quite match up there, does it? Oh, right.
As long as we get the basic
Hill climb.
down. There we go, guys. This is now the first documented ring road in history.
Your right angle corners.
Yes, there's less of a ring, but
It's a square road.
and now we've got to double it up, obviously, guys, for cars that are going the other way around.
Oh, for f***'s sake. What the f*** have you done?
There we go. Got our ring road now. Right, now it's time to build some more buildings, I think. And some servants, yes, so let's please, guys.
Along the ring road. So they have to commute to get to work.
Exactly.
Could make an avenue.
Right, so we have this road here. Plenty of room for houses. Right, sorry about the noise, guys. My computer's glitching slightly. It does this sometimes. It's annoying, but you know, we've got a lot to do with it, guys. Now then, as I was saying, we're going to build a big palace. Make sure they're not so good. And then we'll have a noble who they can serve. And we'll have some labourers down here. Yeah, and then some brickies. Actually, we have the bricklayers here, guys. And we have the brickmakers right next door. Oh no, we can't.
Go a baker next door.
No, we can't. I may have designed this estate slightly badly, guys. If they're bigger. This can be the industrial estate. Shit builder.
Oh, it's a dock.
Ah, yes. Find some water, maybe. Right, there we go. Right, try and connect them to the ring road. There. That can be exit 1.
Actually, like, you do it.
I think so. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, that figure right there. And then a palm tree.
Extra measure.
Yeah. Oh, there's quite a lot of smoke coming from here. We are starting pollution a little bit early here, as you can see.
What were they?
Brickies. Right, we have the school somewhere. I think just next to the big temple.
And the hospital, which we definitely need.
We put it along the ring road.
Exit 2.
We better do, yeah. Exit 2, guys. Right, oh, we've got some people swanning about.
He's got a massive pyramid in.
Oh, definitely. This is a small pyramid, we'll make a bigger one later. Obviously, it's a tourist attraction, so only a big car park. And my computer fan is now spooling up significantly, guys. Yes, this can be our car park. And then exit 3. There are exits labelled in order of the time I built them and not the order they actually come in.
Yeah, 1, 2.
So if we happen to build another one here, say, that would be exit 4.
It's not like you have like Ford Focuses or anyways. No, 1290 BC. I swear it was 1291 before, wasn't it?
Government's food supply, that's very important.
It is important, it's the pyramid.
Yeah, we can go here. Oh no, there's a small oversight with the ring road, but we can expand.
Drop it down a few gears for that one.
And then the road here, so this is exit 4.
Before exit 3.
Yes, exactly. We get a bush, guys.
Get this on video.
Oh, pardon me, guys. We're sorry about the music again, guys. This has happened. I think a cult temple is definitely important, guys. Oh, here we go. We're in the middle of the jungle. If we get a road,
Exit 5.
let's exit 5 there. Heading this way, guys. We just have a bus route coming straight down here, right through the centre of town. I just thought we'd better actually join these two roads up. Raiders are approaching. Oh dear lord. Right, I think we better get some soldiers on the go, guys.
Another avenue.
Road, yeah, we'll have to, this road can be Lymath Street. Right, and this can join up to exit 2.
1, 2, 4, 3, 5.
Priest? There's the priest, we're quite far away from the school, guys. We don't getting any ideas. Let's put him right there in the town. And then this can be exit 7, I think.
Exit 7, the priest's house.
Okay, here we go. Has never been open, no education available. Why not? Oh, we need some teachers or something.
Has it got a road to it? Or is that the entrance there?
That's a good point, actually.
I think a lot of your buildings just don't have roads to them.
Yeah, because actually the wrong...
Different angle. Is it with a road to the palace, isn't it? Oh no, someone's just gone into it, must be. Dissatisfaction prevents occupancy.
It's German, it is, guys, after all the hard work. Happy Protect. He must be a subscriber, guys. Royal Prince, that's the ticket. Oh wow, I can have a look at my world. Beautiful. And here's the ring road. Oh, so this is an American road because they're going on the right hand side. Yeah. Exit 1 here, guys. Exit 5. The uphill section. Okay, then, guys. Well, I think that's the end of that until the next time. So I hope if you enjoy this, guys, we'll do another video. Even if you don't, we'll still do another video on it because we are really struggling for videos here, guys. But thanks you all for watching, guys. Lymath out. There's the button for it.
It's not ended.